Hello everyone, back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to zoom out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to zoom out on your laptop, the first thing that you can do is zoom out in web browser. If you're using your web browser, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your web browser, then press Ctrl on your keyboard and then press plus. As you can see, as I press plus, it's zooming in, and as you press Ctrl minus or 0, it will restart or reset zoom to normal. You can also hold Ctrl and then scroll the mouse wheel down to increase it or decrease it as per your preference. Now, if you want to zoom out on desktop or Windows, what you need to do is simply head over to your desktop screen, right click on it and then select display settings. Now inside settings, what you need to do is head over to the system, and once you're inside system, select display, and once you're inside the display, under scale and layout you'll find the option that says scale right here. Simply select it, and here you can type in the number or reduce scale percentage, and this will make text or icon smaller or zoomed out. You can also use the touchpad in your laptop as well by placing two fingers on the touchpad and pinching together to zoom in and then pinching together inside to zoom out. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.